Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Adobe Audition step by step clearly. To authenticate with Adobe Audition, begin by launching the application on your computer. Once the application opens, you will be greeted by a welcome screen. If you already have an Adobe account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your Adobe ID, which is usually your email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, check your mobile device for a verification code. Input the verification code in the prompted field and click Submit. If you do not have an Adobe account, click on Create an Account. Fill in the required fields including your name, email address, and password. Once completed, click on the Create Account button. You will receive an email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to Adobe Audition. Now, sign in using your newly created Adobe ID and password. Once authenticated, you'll have access to the full features of Adobe Audition. After signing in, you may be prompted to update if there are any new versions available. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any updates. You are now fully authenticated and ready to start using Adobe Audition for your audio projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.